Hi, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect gift for the cat lover in your life or for yourself, then look no further than these absolutely adorable cat earrings from Esberry. I love the shape of these studs. They have the cutest little ears on top of the round white opal stone, and they have little CZ stones in them, so they sparkle. I have gotten so many compliments on these. Everyone thinks they are just the cutest thing ever, and they want to know where I got them. These cat studs are 925 sterling silver, so they don't bother my ears at all. And I really appreciate that because there's nothing worse than getting a pair of earrings you want to wear all the time and then having them bother you. So that is a real huge plus. I'm a huge fan of opals, and I really love the colors in these white opal earrings. They have such beautiful depths with the blue and even pink tones. It just is really stunning, and I love how cute and petite these little stud earrings are. These look great with many different hair colors. Actually started off as a blonde when I first got them, and now I'm a brunette. I love wearing them with lots of different outfits. I wear them with my casual clothes and dressed up. You can wear them with your hair up or down, and it just looks really cute either way. I also like to wear them in my second hole so that I can wear some dangle earrings with them. These are definitely the cutest earrings that I own. I love wearing them, but also they make a really nice gift for somebody who loves kitty cats, and that's my point of view.